Welcome to Auto Today I will show you how to use the Lotus Lantern app to control RGB LED features and mood easily.
Step 1. Download and install the Lotus Lantern app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 2. Open the app and turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Step 3. Power on your RGB light strip device. Step 4. In the app, tap Connect and select your RGB LED light from the device list. Step 5. Once connected, explore the color wheel to set any color you like. Step 6. Adjust brightness and speed using the sliders. Step 7. Try different modes, effects, e.g., flash, strobe, fade, flash, strobe, fade, smooth, from the app menu. Step 8. Use the music mode to sync your lights with songs playing on your device. Step 9. Set timer schedules to automatically turn lights on, off at specific times. Step 10. Save your favorite settings for quick access later.